Nagbigay ng assessment si Philippine Skating Union President Nicky Cheng sa naging performance ni Filipino-American short track speed skater Peter Grosclose sa 9th Asian Winter Games sa Harbin, China. Yan ang ulat ng aking teammate na si Daryl Loclares.
Sa edad na 17, taas noong nakipagsabayan ang Filipino-American short track speed skater na si Peter Grosclose sa 9th Asian Winter Games sa Harbin, China. Hindi man nakamit ang inaasam niyang medalya, kahanga-hangang performance pa rin ang ipinamalas ni Grosclose matapos na makatungtong sa semifinals ng men's 1,500 meter race, habang quarterfinals naman para sa men's 500 at 1,000 meter. Ayon kay Philippine Skating Union President Nicky Cheng, simula pa lamang ito para kay Grosclose, lalo na't paangat pa lamang siya mula sa juniors patungong seniors division.
For this Asian Winter Games, he was the youngest out of all competitors. So Peter is only 17, while the second to the youngest is 22. And so he is up against seniors, he is up against Olympic medalists. As expected yung performance niya, and for me, like as expected yung result. So since he is still playing junior, he qualified midway.
Dagdag pa ni Cheng, magandang exposure ang Asian Winter Games para kay Grosclose, lalo na't sunod naman niyang paghahandaan ng mga Olympic qualifying tournaments ngayong taon.
Napakagandang experience para sa kanya, and also a learning experience kasi syempre he would understand like what he needs to do for himself, what he needs to improve on in order to get to that level. So we're very happy about the results for Peter, and the experience nitong Asian Winter Games is definitely a stepping stone for him in the next Olympic qualifying events that he has for this year.
Inaasahan na lalahok si Grosclose sa 4 na International Skating Union o ISU Short Track World Tour na magsisilbing Special Olympic Qualifying Classifications para sa Milano Cortina 2026 Winter Olympics. Daryl Loclares para sa Atletang Pilipino para sa Bagong Pilipinas.